sa ating pong buting Governor, Governor Melchor Diglas, sa ating pong Vice Governor, Vice Governor Mary Rose Pongwan Queves. I just mentioned to Consel po kanina, I had the chance to be with your father in one of our trip in Taiwan together with all the governors dito. And to all the provincial board members, I would like to make special mention to the former mayor of La Trinidad, board member and former mayor Mayo Sada, sa atin pong congressman, fellow alumni of the University of Santo Tomas, sa kaibigan niya yung kaibigan ko, no? Kaya pala pareho kaming UST. Magka-building po tayo kung engineering ako, architecture kayo. Sa ating pong very young and very dynamic Mayor of La Trinidad, Mayor Roderick Awingan, sa ating pong kaibigan Vice Mayor Giler Galwan, to all the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of La Trinidad, Benguet, the former mayors and officials of La Trinidad, sa aking pong buting Vice Mayor Jun, to all the barangay officials present, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, baka po magalit yung sa likod ng misis ko, no? Yung mga misis po ng ating mga officials dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet. Ladies and gentlemen, maya paabak po kay Kongan. No? Magandang umaga po sa atin lahat. Alam niyo po, this is my second time to attend this Strawberry Festival. The first time I was invited by Mayor Salda, and ito lang po, no, talagang we're very excited kasi nakikita namin yung ating magiging sisterhood municipality, no po, ay talagang hindi lang sa papel, kung hindi napapakita natin yung ating kumbaga pagtutulungan. Last week, I visited Mayor Roderick Awingan. Pinag-uusapan po namin kung paano natin pwedeng pagtulungan. For sure, yung mga gulay po ninyo dito, pagdating sa bayan namin, ang mahal-mahal na. Kaya sabi ko, baka pwede tayong gumawa ng paraan kung paano po namin masoften yung impact ng pagtaas ng presyo ng ating mga bilihin. And I hope you can be our partner. For sure, Mayor Roderick Awingan will help us together with the Sangguniang Bayan. Meron po akong pin-prepare ng maikling mensahe. I hope you please bear with me. Warm greetings to the people of La Trinidad on behalf of the municipal government and the people of Bagua, Pampanga. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the municipality of La Trinidad, Benguet. As you celebrate the Strawberry Festival this year, 2026, with the inspiring theme, Limitless La Trinidad, Heart, Harvest, and Harmony. But before I continue, I'd also like to acknowledge yung mga kaibigan po natin, mayors from Guam. Sorry, pasensya na po. Alam niyo, kanina po si Kong Eric, sabi niya, pag age daw, natatakot siya, 3 age. Alam niyo po, kaming Kapampangan, mas natatakot po kami sa age. Kasi sabi nila, yung mga Kapampangan daw, wala daw kaming age. No? Pero hindi naman po lahat. Hindi lahat. No? The Strawberry Festival is a beautiful celebration of our community's hard work, culture, and unity. Like the strawberries that grows with patience, care, and good and bright environment, a community flourishes when its people nurture one another, and work together towards a common goal. Each berry harvested from your field tells a story of dedication, resilience, and love for the land. Alam niyo po, pagpunta ko dito, sabi ko, nag-research kami, ano ba yung kultura, no? Ano ba yung kultura ng mga taga Trinidad, Benguet? And we found out, sana po tama kami. Kanina tinatanong ko si Consial, no? Tinatanong ko po si Consial Teddy. Parang hindi sigurado, ni-nervous tuloy ako, no? Alam niyo po, napag-research namin na dito po daw sa La Trinidad, no, or possible the whole province of Benguet, the people of Benguet, pag yung katabi mong strawberry field, no, magkatabi tayong strawberry field, pag daw yung katabi mo nagka-problema, no, concerned na concern yung katabi niyang strawberry field at nagtutulungan sila. Nung nalaman po namin yun, ang galing, sabi namin. Alam niyo po bakit? Sa bayan po namin, ang aming slogan is lahat posible, basta tulong-tulong tayo. And here in La Trinidad, we are amazed at witnessing how a farmer from different farmland gets to oversee other lands that are not theirs, attending to the small needs of the strawberries, and telling the farm owners their observation. That concern and compassion are abundant. This is exactly our vision in Guagua. In our town, Guagua, Pampanga, we believe in the spirit of lahat posible basta tulong-tulong tayo. Just as strawberry thrives when farmer attends to them together, from planting to harvesting, our municipalities also grows together as we support one another. As sister municipalities, Guagua stands with La Trinidad in celebrating your achievement and in nurturing the partnership that binds our communities in friendship and cooperation. May this year's Strawberry Festival continue to bring pride to your people, prosperity to your farmers, and joy to all those who visit this beautiful municipality. Again, congratulations to La Trinidad. May your harvest remains abundant and your future remains limitless. Bago po ako magwakas, may silip na naman ako dito. Sandali, sana hindi ako nagkamali. Pag mali po, pakisisi na lang po si Konsehal Teddy. Kapag at tinulong tayo at naibag na agsapa. Marami pong salamat. Can we also request Mayor Awinga together with Vice Mayor Giller and together with all the SB members to please maybe invite you to please come up on stage. Thank you po.